Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a name group chat on iPhone. If you are using iPhone and you want to create your group chat, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your iMessage app and here just tap on this chat option here in the bottom right corner, and here you just have to select you or the person or enter the contact with which you want to make a chat. So I'm going to add some contacts. So tap on this plus option here and you'll get all of your contacts. You just have to select any contact which you want to add. So I have added a single person. I'm going to add more persons here. Just have a plus option again. Select any other contact and select how much you want to create a group or you want to add contacts into your group chat. And once you have selected, you just have to tap on this message option here and you have to send a message. Tap on the share option and the message will be sent. Now your group chat has been successfully created. Now tap on this option here and you'll get your group chat. If you want to add it, anything into your group chat, just tap on this edit option. Then select edit name and photo here. You just have to select any photo which you want to. For example, I'm going to select an emoji from here. Just select an emoji and then tap on done. Now here enter group chat name. So I'm going to enter name. For example, I'm going to enter here friends. And once done, just tap on this done option in the top right corner, and your group chat will be successfully created with a name you have added. So in this way, you can easily create and name your group chat in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.